My name is Jason Pollaran, and I'm with Active Learning in the Engage 360 After School program. This will be video number 2, and it's titled Fun with Fundamentals. If you're having a great time so far, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and comment below how much fun you're having. My dance style is popularly known as breakdancing, otherwise known as breaking. So you're going to be doing a lot of physical activity on the floor. Yeah, so we're going to do some warm-ups, and let's get right into it. Let's get started with some running. Run in place. Good. Jumping jacks. Good, run in place again. Good, the butt kicks. Jumping jacks, 5 more. Nice. So open up a little bit. Stretching out. Good. What's that? Pick it up. Good. Switch. Great job, dancers. Keep it up. Here. Switch. Nice. Forward. Good, guys. Switch out your legs. Inside. And switch. Nice. Feet together. Hands to the floor. Hips up. Nice. Oh, ready to go. Alright, so just like I said in the beginning of the video, this dance style is called breaking. And we're going to be doing a lot more of our movement on the floor. Floor movement is called footwork. Okay, I'm going to show you 3 moves that we can kind of do over and over and over again and kind of play with it a little bit. Right? The first move is going to be called 3-step. Right? 3-step. Now, what I'm in right now, this is called 0 position. Alright, so please remember that. 0 position. I'm on the balls of my feet. Push-up position will look like this. My hands are shoulder width apart. My feet are shoulder width apart. My hips aren't too high or too low. We're going to start right here in push-up position. Right? Now I'm going to kick my right foot across. This is 1. Okay? 1 of 3 steps. I'm going to go 2. Switch hands. Okay? I'm going to 2 of 3. Now I'm going to put my hand down in front of me. I'm going to face this grill, I guess. You're going to go 3. Okay, we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3. Good, I'm starting on my right foot. Now, I'm facing you guys, and I face the grill. That's 3 steps. If I do it again, just like I did right now, I'm going back to you guys, all right? We'll call that rotation a circle, all right? And we'll do 2 full circles, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to do a 6-step. Okay, so from push-up position, you're going to go step across your body on your right foot. This is 1. Okay. Hands out. Bring your left foot into a hook. This is called a hook because it looks like my right leg is doing a fishing hook. Right on my left, this is 2. You're going to go to 0 on 3. Switch hands and legs. 4, this is my left leg doing a hook. Step back on 5, push up on 6. All right, here we go. Let's try it a little faster. 6, 7, 8, go. 1, hook, 2, 0, 3, switch, 4, back, 5, push up, 6. Again, ready? 5, 6. One more time, faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Now I'm going to show you how to do a 12 step. Okay, this one's really easy. You're going to go push up position, right foot steps across, just like the 6th step. 1. Now my left leg, instead of going in, it's going to go over. 2. Okay. Now my right foot is going to go over. 3. Left foot's going to go under. 4. Okay, so that's the pattern. There's only really 4 steps in this. Okay, you're going to go one more time. Under, over, over, under. Now, if you do those 4 moves, under, over, under, 3 times, 4 times 3 is 12, so that's why it's called the 12 step. So if you do it again, you should end up exactly where you started. I'm facing you guys right now, so I'm going to do the 12 step. Under, over, under, that's 1. Under, over, under, that's 2. Under, over, under, that's 3. I ended where I started, where I'm facing you guys. Alright, now if I went way too fast on these moves, on the 3 step, on the 6 step, or on the 12 step, the beauty about the internet is that you can play it at your own pace. Okay, so go ahead and rewind. Fast forward if you need to. Overall, just take your time with it, and make sure you get these three moves down first before we move on to this next exercise. Here's what these 3 moves look like. 3 step, 6 step, 12 step. That's 3, 6, 12. Thank you, dancers, so much. This was video 2, Fun with Fundamentals, with me, Mr. Jason, Active Learning USA, and Gate 60 After School Program. If you really like what you saw, check out our website at activelearningusa.org. Also, check out our other YouTube videos at Active Learning. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, comment below, tell us how much you're having fun. And yeah, please practice these moves, practice my moves, practice Mr. Anthony's moves, practice the next future classes to come, because that's what's going to make you become a better dancer, and I promise you have a lot of fun dancing as well. Next up, we have video 3 with Miss Tiffany Malari. She's world famous, great teacher, great dancer, excellent performer, all that good stuff. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun with her. And that's Mr. Jason, signing off. Peace.